In this video, I'm going to show you today how with just one lipstick you can do most of the face makeup like lips, cheeks and your eyes. You don't need any other product. So I'll do the base also. So just keep watching the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are coming to my channel for the first time and seeing this video, so please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I upload a new video. So there is absolutely nothing on my face right now. It's like bare skin. So the first thing what I'm going to do is prime my face, and I'm using Color Bar ka Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. So you just have to take small amount and then I'm just applying it all over. I have a combination skin and this lotion is really nice. You guys can use any primer, whatever you have. I'll take out my nose pin for this. Yeah, so we are done with the first step. And next I'm going to color correct my skin. I don't have that much dark circle, but there is little bit pigmentation here and there on my face which I want to conceal. So for that I use a color corrector palette from Nykaa. It looks like this, and it has orange corrector. It even has a contour cream. So this, I think this palette is a must-have for everyone, and you can just keep it in your bag and carry it anywhere and then just use it anytime. Yeah, so I'm just taking a small amount and putting it under my eyes. This is a highly pigmented cream contour palette. You can use your fingers just to blend it, or if you have a small sponge, you can use that as well. I'm comfortable with fingers as well, or I have a beauty blender, smaller one. So I'm using Kama Ayurveda ka distilled water. So I'm just damping the sponge and then just dabbing it under my eyes. Yeah, so I'm almost done. So next, after I'm done with correcting my face, I'm just using concealer palette from MAC, and this palette, you can see the condition how much I've used. So I just don't take one color, I just take I just mix and put it on my face. ये मैं उतना ज़्यादा नहीं लगा रही हूँ, just small amount, because I have one more concealer pot which I use more. Yeah, So I'm not going to blend this. I'm going to mix one more concealer. This is from the brand Makeup Studio and my shade is Caribbean. So this also I'm going to take on my finger and then just put it all over. Also under my eyes. या अभी अच्छा खासा अमाउंट तोप दिया है फेस पे. सो नाउ आई हैव टू ब्लेंड दिस. सो फॉर दिस आई एम टेकिंग अ ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश. दिस इज फ्रॉम Pro Arte and the number is AK38. So just lightly and gently just keep blending. सिर्फ क्रीम कंसीलर या फाउंडेशन लगाने से ऑब्वियसली आपका चेहरा पूरा भूत जैसा ही लगेगा, बट जस्ट ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस. इट विल लुक गुड व्हेन एवरीथिंग इज डन. And same brush you can just roll it on your neck. I don't like to put more product on my neck. I just take the same brush with which I blend my face का concealer और neck में वही लगाती हूँ. Yeah, also ears में भी just brush roll कर लो so that it doesn't look uneven. Yeah, once you see that your concealer is blended properly, then you go on to the next step. I usually avoid contouring my face when I am in hurry, but since I'm using this palette today, so I thought why not just show you guys, and I have little time, so let me just show you. So for contouring I just take the contouring cream little bit and then just mark my points. Nose उतना नहीं करती हूँ मैं, but I'm just showing you guys little bit. Yeah, so I'm using the same brush जिससे मैंने पूरा face को blend किया था. You can use the same brush and then just blend this as well. We are not going to use this brush again, so it's fine. आप क्योंकि blending का जो color है वो थोड़ा dark होता है, so don't use this brush again for blush and other stuff. I just use this for concealing my face and blending my contour. उतना heavy contouring नहीं कर रही हूँ. And nose में since I've put it very lightly, so I can just do it with my fingers. Yeah. So next step is very important step where I am going to use just one lipstick, which I'm going to use it as eyeshadow and for blush and my lipstick as well. So तीन चीज़ें आप एक ही lipstick के साथ कर सकते हैं, cream lipstick के साथ. So you can just keep it in your wallet or in your pocket, and if you're going to a party or you're going somewhere, you can just touch it. You can just do this step and go. Actually बहुत बार मैंने ऐसे किया है कि मेरे पास कुछ मेकअप नहीं है, मुझे इमरजेंसी में कहीं जाना है, मुझे पार्टी करने जाना है, so I just grab my lipstick and do this step and just go. So this lipstick is from Lakme Absolute and the name is Soft Nude, shade number 302. It's a nude shade. So see, it's a beautiful shade. और मैं यही lipstick I will apply it as blush. You can just use your fingers. I like to apply blush in this manner. A lot of people just apply it in circular motion, but वो बहुत बार clown के जैसा दिखता है. But if you apply it like this, it gives a little definition to your face. You can see how much you want. अगर कम ज़्यादा करना है तो you can do. या और जो फिंगर में लेफ्ट ओवर है, यू कैन जस्ट रोल योर फिंगर्स ऑन योर नोज टिप and then you can just put little lipstick on your eyes and then just you can use a brush for blending this, or if you don't have brush you can just blend it with your fingers. I'm showing you how to do makeup with very minimum products and with very minimum brushes. So you can already see the color building. ये एंड को थोड़ा अच्छे से ब्लेंड करना है, अदरवाइज इट माइट स्टार्ट लुकिंग पैची. So I feel I should add little more to my eyes. So थोड़ा सा और प्रोडक्ट लगा रही हूँ, सेम लिपस्टिक. Yeah, now I'm happy with how my eyes look. I do not want to add more. Next I'm using a kajal from Revlon, so I will just put on my lower line. Also on top. Yeah, अभी ये same काजल, if I mean you can go out like this after doing the eyebrows, but if you're going at night and if you want to define your eyes little bit more, you can just corner में just put little kajal, and if you have a smudging brush just smudge it. You can actually do this with fingers also, but not everyone can do that, so just this comes very handy. अगर कोई एथनिक वाला फंक्शन है तो नीचे का जो काजल लगाया यू कैन जस्ट स्मज इट एंड इट लुक्स गॉर्जियस. या यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस, मेरा ये आई का और ये वाला. सेम वेज इन दिस आई ऑल्सो. ओके ये आँख में मैंने ज़्यादा लगा लिया, सो आई हैव टू मैच इट. नो प्रॉब्लम, ऐसा होता है. Actually, I can do my full makeup without any brushes. I have done that. मैं एक बार अपने सारे ब्रशेस कैलकाटा में छोड़ के आ गई थी. So whenever I was going out for 2-3 weeks, I was without any makeup brush. और मैं हाथ से ही, if I'm going out, I used to do it with my hands only. So yeah. Yeah, it looks fine now. After this step I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for eyebrows I'm using the Brow Bro from Indulgio Essential, and I have already made a video of how to do fluffy eyebrows, so you can just go to that video and see the full tutorial step by step. So I am almost done with my eyebrows. Yeah, so now I can put back my nose ring, nose pin actually. Yeah, and if you want you can actually put little powder if you have very oily skin. I usually like illuminating, thoda glowy dewy makeup, so I don't put powder. And for locking the makeup I just use a pocket size MAC Prep Plus Prime ka Fix Plus. So too much I have put. But yeah, so you can already see the glow, and this is the result of using the minimum products. And I love the lipstick, which we can use it as blush, lipstick and eyeshadow. If you want you can actually layer your blush with something like some other blush also. So sometimes what I do is I use this lip and cheek tint from the Body Shop. The name is Pink Hibiscus. So that also, like जैसे मैंने lipstick के साथ use किया, you can layer it with this, but I like this tone which is like neutral, and it's like complementing each other. The face, like the eyes, lips and blush is complementing each other. But if you want a little variety you can use this on lips or on cheeks, so that thoda sa different lage. But yeah, so I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked how I showed you how I do my makeup. So if you want more information, if you want to get more tutorials, just comment on the comment box and I will make more videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.